Okay, we're getting ready to enter Concordia, Kansas. We just got through going to a POW camp about just a few miles outside of Concordia, and that will be on YouTube when we get it all uploaded. Now we're going to drive around Concordia a little bit. It was a really blustery, cold day this morning, but it's warmed up. It's not as bad as it was when at 10 o'clock this morning. It's currently 12:30, and it is the 4th of May, and we're just going to kind of drive around here a little bit. Oh, there's that wall. Okay, we're going to stop, and I'm going to get some pictures of that right now while we're here. There's nobody parked in front of it right now, so let me go up in here and I'll try to get a picture of that here. Okay, all right, bear with us for just a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, we'll stop and took some pictures of the Muriel there. They might have an old bridge around here somewhere, but I'd have no idea where it was at. Or it might have been torn down. Who knows? Okay, now we're going to go down Main Street here. If I can get across the street here. Okay, here we go. Now, this building on your right was a bank building, City Hall, 1912. We got a lot of pretty cool old buildings. Let's kind of see if we turn you that way for a little bit. This building right down here on the end is kind of cool looking. It's got the big bay type windows up there. Let's just kind of go in the middle here. I better stop. We got to stop here. There's a building here off to your left, and it looks like that might be a public storm shelter, but I'm not sure. It could be just bathrooms too. And that little, like a little park area over there. And they got a mural over here to our right. Don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, now we can go. All right. Oh, they got a Gambino's Pizza. They got a National Orphan Train Museum, but I don't think we're going to go to that today. They got Downtown Girls Unique Boutique store, and I've got the green light. Are these people what are they going to do? I guess they're going to stop. Okay. Yeah, Concordia's really not all that big. There's a El Puerto Mexican Museum. Oh, Majestic. I bet that was an old theater at one time. What do you want to bet? Majestic. What's this over here? Oh, fitness center. Big building off to our right. I wonder what that was at one time, though. It's hard to tell. Okay. The building off to our right says Rod's. Looks like it might be a grocery store. I don't think we've ever been downtown Concordia. And then we're coming up on their police station. Yeah, I think we'll go around the block here. There's their police station, animal control. parts store. Let's go down this street just for a little bit. Yeah, there we go. We were just here a few weeks ago, but I did not do a driving dash cam video of Concordia. Hour fuel. Okay, we'll get back up on Main Street. Okay. And we'll go down the other side. Oh, well, we gotta wait on the light. Off to our right, there's a State Farm Insurance and the Mike's Electronics. There's just not very much downtown Concordia. Let's go. I think there's something I want you to see out here a little ways. This building right to our, I'm going to go back the other way. It's an old fire station. Let me go here and I'll turn around and go back. If I find some place to turn around. Here, we'll blow that out. Okay, there. It may not be so bad. Oh, and I was going to show you something over here too. Let me get the other lane. This building over here to your right, that we're coming up on, this brown building, looks like that might have been an old gas station at one time. I think we're going to turn right here. Up here, we'll let you see it. That building right there, that brown building, looks like that used to be an old gas station at one time. Okay, we're going to pull in here. This looks like this is no longer a Regency Court. Or Regency Inn, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now I'm going to try to go back this way. Now we're going to go let you look at this old fire station, fire building. It'll be off to our right. Slow down here a little bit. And a brown Grand Theater somewhere. Okay, now it's building off to your right. I'm going to start slow down so you can see it. We're coming up on it. That was the fire department building. Okay, one more time and then we're done. We're going to go back down the other side. And I think that'll be all. Let's turn over. Let's turn down this way. That's a big old house over there. My goodness, it looks like a castle. Wowee. Big old house. Baptist Church off to our right. Looks like we've got a Fellowship Christian Church to our left. This big building over here, what does it say at the top? Oh, that's that Grand Theater. That's that Grand Theater they were talking about. American Mattress Store, something, furniture, carpet, something, I don't know. Well, that's downtown Concordia, about, what, 3-4 blocks long? Breads, fountain, and gifts. There's not a whole lot here. I think we'll drive one more block down, then we're going to head out, I think. Just thought we'd give you a glimpse of downtown Concordia, Kansas. That's really a very beautiful building over here right in the corner. Look at that. That's a beautiful building. Look at that architecture on that building. Beautiful building. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Dash cam of Concordia, Kansas. National Historic Sites. Huh. This is where all the fast foods and grocery stores and such is out this way.
leaving now?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's do it first. Then.
Okay. All right. We're going to leave. We got some cold to drink. We're going to leave Casey's and head back home. I'm going to drive out of Concordia. Then I think we're going to call it a day. Alrighty. Now, here we go. Okay. Okay, we are going to hang a left here, and we're going to boot scoot on out of here. This is where they have their Subways and their Sonic and McDonald's and Dollar General stores and
continue for 48 miles.
All of that. They got a strip mall just off to our right. Auburn Pharmacy, O'Reilly's Auto Parts, Arby's, Kansas Land Tire, a whole plethora of businesses. Scooters. Scooters are really taken over. They really popped up in a lot of our towns. This way we came in, and this way we are leaving. We're heading back home. Hope you enjoyed all these videos. We're going to try to put them all together when we get home. Of course, the dash cam will be a separate video. But at any rate, we got the big Walmart off to our right. Looks like we're heading on out. At any rate, hope you have a nice weekend. Hope you enjoy these videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. You know, enjoy your world, but have fun, be safe. And we will see you on the next video. So, goodbye for now.